You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is 12 equal or greater than -4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all p terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 4x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is 12 equal or greater than -4.